Here me and Mel made experimental food. Zucchini with tomatoes. And Mel. And more food. Melanie came to visit me on my land. She'll be staying here for the next week. And today I'll be making a toilet seat from trash for my compost toilet that is just a hole at the moment. Yesterday we went mushroom hunting. This is what Mel found. Here's what I found. And everything is very wet. It's been raining a lot this past week since I haven't been here. And everything is growing as usual, except that now the tomatoes are ripening in the hordes. I saw a YouTube video how you can make them sweeter by putting down baking soda. I did that about a month ago, and everybody says that they're sweet and tasty, so I have the feeling that that had an effect on them. Otherwise, in the garden, everything is growing as usual. This guy recovered. Pull these corner suckers out. I'm noticing that these leaves, they break quite a bit, and I don't know from what. Oh, this one. I wonder what happened here. Somebody must have gotten to it. Quick view from inside the greenhouse. Cucumbers are further growing outwards. Let's have a quick run to the spare guy. So, getting some beans. Noticing here, bugs or animals are getting to the basil. I guess that should be expected. The asparagus is growing very happily. This guy's going to seed soon. Basil here is growing well. These tomatoes are trying to adapt. And then another job I'll have to do is to tie these guys up. Make sure no sluggies are eating these leaves. And then this cucumber is getting, I think it's getting ravished by the wildlife. It's not doing so well here. I get the feeling there's going to be a lot of Jerusalem artichoke tubers. I can't believe how tall they're growing. Here we'll document the process of making whatever it is we're making, which is potatoes and these freshly picked mushrooms. Now I will start the fire.
Start the fire.
Oh, fire's starting. So ooh, fire.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right?
It would be cooler if you had two stones and just, kind of make it the true way.
This is true enough. I don't got time for that other shit.
Wow.
Water goes into the pot. Gonna pre-boil the potatoes. So I chopped in some onions, coconut oil, added sunflower seeds, and the potatoes cooked. And then these guys will go in next.
Oh, this is a nice one. Look at it.
Melanie's preparing split peas.
Yes.
I'm cooking these bad boys. And then they'll all go in there. And then I'll go in here. Emptied out the mushrooms into this potato, onion, and sunflower seed mixture. It'll cook some of the liquid down, then go in our bellies. Ready to eat?
Yes!
So here's gonna be the latest addition to the toilet. Stinks pretty bad down there, but at least it should be comfy for the butt. I'm going to fasten it down with this. So I got one side fastened down. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other. Now I'm testing it out. On second thought, these metal fasteners aren't very comfortable on the butt. So I took these out from here and I replaced it with string. I'm gonna leave these back ones here just because they don't really sit that far back. And it's already more comfortable. I just need to figure out what to do with a poo now. Melanie was unhappy pooping in my stall, so she made a poop stool.
For the perfect comfort when you're at the toilet.
Yes, so now you can poop comfortably.
Okay, let me try. I mean, this is pretty legit. Nice, I'm looking forward to tomorrow.
We gotta go eat some more. Melanie is making an herb patch with sage and a bunch of other things. And I got the scythe, I cleared some paths, and I want to go collect some sticks, some longer sticks, so that I can make a little hut. So here I cleared a little bit of a path with a scythe up through the corridor. Otherwise, cleared a bit of this area so that I can get closer to this tree. This tree in Lithuania is Blinda. I'll have to find the English name, but it's a tree that lives a very short while. It's like a kind of like a pioneer tree. It grows to some 20-30 years and then it dies. And if you cut a branch, it's like a hydra. It'll let out 2 shoots. Here I sawed my way through this tree. Alright. Made a little pathway. Now I can get into the forest from here. And I'm gonna bring these with me. Here's the workings of God knows what the hell this is, but it's interesting and it's fun so far. Now we'll figure out how to make it more stable. So there, I used up every last branch. Now I've got this little dwelling area. Might add a carpet or something here. No, have a little hideout. We just got a crazy rain and we're making suede, cabbage, and these guys. And we're gonna throw apples in there. And here's the finished glob of food. How does it taste, Melanie? This is breakfast for today. What are we making, Melanie?
We're making cabbage with mushrooms.
What kind of mushrooms?
What's the word for it?
Chanterelles.
Chanterelles. And tomatoes and eggs.
And spices.
And spices.
We just came back from a hike. We visited the neighbors. They gave us some hemp. And here's what Melanie made. And she collected
they need a
these
name
flowers.
for it. Now he looks so mundane with his hemp, you know?
Today I had the intention to plant seeds. Took most of the seeds from this and I planted it in random spots all over the yard. So anywhere where it might or could grow. And the point is because I'm curious if I can get more food just by sticking the seeds in the ground, but not actually having to look after it. Otherwise, yesterday I transplanted some suede, though I cannot find it anymore. It might have dried up. Status update. We're not on the land, but we're at Yaga. Woo! I'm a little away from the festival because I'm chanterelle picking, and I finally found probably the best patch I've ever seen. Status update! What's going on here, Mel? A lot. You've got a bunch of grains that need grinding? Call on me. I am the windmill. I'll prepare bread for you right away.